Hello everyone, welcome back to Explore with Rohit. Today let's explore the top 5 hill station in Maharashtra. Number 5, Bhandardara. A peaceful hill station near Nashik, famous for its lake view, waterfalls and night camping under the stars. Number 4, Panchgani. It's known for strawberry farms and amazing valley view. The climate is cool and refreshing. Number 3, Lonavala and Khandala. Just a few hours from Mumbai and Pune. These twin hill stations are perfect for a short trip. Don't miss Bushi Dam and Tiger Point. Number 2, Matheran. The only hill station with no vehicles, pure nature and silence. You can enjoy toy train ride and amazing viewpoints. And number 1, Mahabaleshwar. The queen of hill station in Maharashtra. Beautiful viewpoints, waterfalls and cool weather all around. So, which one will you visit first? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe to Explore with Rohit.